Your lesson today is how to find the 5-number summary.
Your standard for this lesson is 7SP2. Use data from a random sample to draw inferences about population with an unknown characteristic of interest. Generate multiple samples of the same size to gauge the variation in estimates or predictions. There are 5 vocabulary words for this lesson. Your first word is minimum, which is the smallest number. Second, we have maximum, which is the largest number. Third, we have median, which is the middle number when you list the numbers from least to greatest. Next, we have upper quartile, which is the number that divides the upper half of the data into 2 equal halves. And the lower quartile is the number that divides the lower half of the data into 2 equal halves. Your steps for this lesson are 6 simple steps, and your first step says to order your numbers from least to greatest. Second, find the minimum, which is also the smallest number. And third, find your median. If they are an even amount of numbers, add the 2 middle numbers and divide by 2. But if they're an odd amount of numbers, you're just going to find your median, which is the middle number. And fourth, find your lower quartile. It is the median of all the numbers after the minimum and before the median. Fifth, find the maximum, which is the largest number. Sixth, find your upper quartile, which is the median of all numbers after the median and before the maximum.
Your example for this lesson is 5, 2, 9, 7, 11, 14, and 17. The first thing you do is order your numbers from least to greatest, which is 2, 5, 7, 9, 11, 14, and 17. Your second step is find the minimum, which is your smallest number, 2. Your third step is find the maximum, which is your largest number, 17. Your fourth step is find the median, which is the middle number of all your numbers. If there's an even amount of numbers, add the 2 middle numbers and divide by 2. So you're going to start on each side and take away by 1. And your median is 9. For the fifth step, you're going to find the lower quartile, which is the median of all the numbers from your minimum to before the median, which is, this is your minimum, so you're going to start here and go before you get to the median, which is 2, 5, 7. And then you're going to start on each side and take away by 1, and your lower quartile is 5. Step 6 is find your upper quartile. The median of all the numbers after the median and to the maximum, which is 11, 14, and 17. And you're going to take away on each side by 1, and your upper quartile is 14. Thanks for watching.